Hey, what's going on? Hope all of you are fine. So today in this video, I'm going to help you to get started with Python. I will tell you why should you learn Python. Python is the most easiest programming languages I have ever seen. As well as right now, this is the most popular language in the world. So if you are okay with the sound, then let's get started. So first of all, you need to download Python on your system. So to install Python on your system, open your browser and search Google Python. Then you will see python.org. Click on downloads and click on the latest version of Python. Download the latest version of Python. Here you need to click on here. Just click on it if you don't have it on your system. And after that you need a IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. So I'm going to prepare with PyCharm. Actually I like PyCharm and I will use it on my entire series. So click on download and you will see there is a two option. One is professional and one is community. So I'm going to use the community version because it's free. So click on download. I'm not going to download it because it already installed on my system. As you can see PyCharm. So if you don't know how to set up Python, then I'm going to show you. So first of all, click on your Python file. Then first of all, I'm going to uninstall it because I want to show you everything from scratch. So I'm going to click on uninstall. It will take sometimes to uninstall it. So I will be back in few seconds after uninstall this. I will show you how to install it properly. So the uninstall was successful. So I'm going to install it. So first of all, I'm going to close it, and now I'm going to click on it again to show you how to install it properly. So click on when you install Python, you have to check this checkbox, add python.exe to path. Then click on install now. You don't need to do any other things to install it on your system. So it will take some time to install it properly. So bear with me. Uh, my more Actually, I want to show you everything from scratch. So that's why I don't want to skip anything. So you should know that what should you learn, what you are going to learn in this series. So that's why I'm going to show you everything from scratch. So almost done. Just more a few seconds. Okay, almost done. Just more second. Maybe a couple of seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Then it will be installed successfully. I think it's taking more than what I thought. Okay, our installation is successful. So let me try run this again. Okay, our Python is working perfectly. So basically, this is just an introduction. So now we are going to see variables on our next part.